Hi, my name is Anil, and this is video assignment 4. So dendrograms and ordination are two different ways of showing clustering in data, and they're both really good in their own unique ways for presenting certain types of data. So dendrograms, as you can see in this example right here, are really good because of their branching nature and their use of nodes. The fact that they branch off and they have certain nodes really makes it obvious where there are certain clusters, such as here, here, and here. And the fact that we have branch length and we can trace back to certain common ancestors allows us to use time as a dimension when analyzing these clusters, which is really, really helpful. The only kind of downside, one of the only downsides for these dendrograms is that the more data you have and the busier these trees get, the harder it is to literally just see them and understand the relationship between data. So these are useful when your data is a little bit smaller. Ordination, on the other hand, is really, really helpful for large, big data groups and data sets. Here we have a non-metric multidimensional scaling plot. And this and other ordinations basically allow you to take data that has a bunch of different dimensions and condense it down into fewer dimensions to present the data. Here we're condensed it down to 2 dimensions. And this allows us to show clustering literally in space. So here Acmel and Trifprat are much more closely related than Bromhord and Kampalu because they're much closer together on the plot. In these and NMDS and other ordination type clustering programs, you do lose time as a dimension. You're really working in 2 dimensions here, which is the space. But the fact that you can really condense multi-dimensional huge data sets into these well-presented small plots is a huge positive for ordination. Thank you so much.